Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are facing the sound problems and you want to resolve it, then you have come to the right video. I had some problems with DJI microphone which are resolved, and I always wish to have a perfect sound, a clear sound for my videos. So after struggling with the sounds and using different microphones, I have resolved my problem. I'll show you in depth, step by step, how I have resolved it so you could resolve it as well. And next thing is, I need to do this small clip quickly because I need to take my van to fix the internal locks. Come here. Okay, stay there then. So I need to take my van to the garage to put the internal locks for internal safety. You know what I mean. So let's go inside and explore the DJI microphone in depth. Hello, baby. You want to go inside with me? Or you just being noisy? Whenever I make a video, he just pokes his nose in it. Yeah, okay, let's go. Welcome back. Right, previously I had Canon G7X. Problem with G7X was they don't have sound input. You can't connect the sound connections inside the camera directly. So what I have been using was like Rode microphone with a recorder, which was Sony. I used to record all my sounds on Sony record and then put it all together in editing, like cut and paste and mash the sound with the lip moving. It was a big hassle, trust me, and it took lots of time. So I was tired of that system, and to upgrade the sound system I had to upgrade the camera as well. So the camera I have bought is Sony ZV-10 Mark II. So to adjust the sound with it, I had to buy the sound system as well. What I did is I bought this small microphone, only microphone, and a connector wire did come with it. So the USB connector wire connects here into your laptop and you download your sounds. This is what I have been doing. I have been downloading the sounds and then synchronizing on Final Cut Pro and matching them together on the videos. Again, the problem was on Sony camera, the videos were running fast and my sounds were running slow. So I had to cut and paste the sound bits and mash them with my lip movement. I was tired of it, trust me. So what I did is I bought this full package of DJI. Now I can connect the receiver with the wire and the sound is perfect. With the wire, the sound goes straight into the camera. So you don't have to synchronize the videos or the audios afterwards from your microphone and cut and paste it and edit it, because the video which is recording now is capturing my sound straight into the camera. So my life has become very easy. Okay, let me just quickly show you what comes in this package. This is the small pouch and this is the everything you get in it. This is the charger basically. And there is a USB cable. You can just plug it in and everything will be charged together, all together. Your receiver, your transmitter. These are some wires to connect your microphones to download the sound on your laptop. This is the connector for input voice direct into your camera. 2 windscreens will come with it for your microphone transmitter. So in this box, when you open it, you will see the screen will display how much you have left recording on each one of your transmitters, and also shows the battery of each of the transmitters and the receiver. So this is the microphone. It will start recording automatically because the setting I have put is to start recording as soon as I take it out, because just for a safety, in case if you forgot to switch it on before you start your recording. So there is a setting. If you want to set it manually to start recording it, you can set that in the receiver. This is the second transmitter. As soon as I pulled it out, it started recording. So you can change the setting manually. So I'll just stop it now because I want to show you the receiver. So this is the receiver. Receiver will show you which microphone is connected and which one you are using. So I'll just switch this on now and see. This is on. This is recording. And I'll switch on the second one and see. Now you can see both of them on in front of you on the screen, and you can see the green line is moving up and down. And this M means it is on mono. If you're using one transmitter, you keep it on M. If you're using both transmitters, you put it on stereo. So both the recordings will be recorded separately. With this toggle, you can control the volume of receiver and the volume of both the transmitters. I like to keep them on +1, which I prefer to have a nice and sharp sound. It's up to you. If someone is talking in a low voice, you can raise the volume into 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever is requirement. Now I'm gonna put the transmitters back and you will see they will just switch off automatically. They will go on recharging. See, both of them are switched off. Now when you scroll the screen down, there are lots of settings in this. You can select the camera, you can select the sound system in it, you can select the time. I'm selecting here the camera because I have Sony, so I'm just looking for that, and whatever camera you have you can select on this receiver. Now let me show you how to mount it on the camera. So this is the receiver. You can mount it on the camera like this. You can connect with the wire on the receiver, and the second wire will go in the camera receiver input. But I didn't like the wiring system because it was in the way, and then take it out and plug it in. Sometimes the wire gets corrupted and then you hear the sound of hiss. Zzz. So to resolve that, I have bought DJI Sony adapter. With this, if you connect it with the receiver, you don't need to connect the wires again with the receiver and the camera. This one straight will record your sound into your camera. This is the adapter. This is the tiny adapter. What it does is, you don't need the wire to be connected, okay? This made a life so easier. You just need to open it here. Okay. Take your receiver, move this slot again, connect your receiver, boom, and this is gonna be fixed on your camera. You don't need to put the wires out of receiver or put it in the camera. No, this is connected straight into your camera. So Sony have resolved my life very nicely. I am happy now because all my sounds are getting straight into my camera. I don't need to sit down and waste my time in synchronizing the sounds and adjusting the videos and the lip movement. I mean, my time have been saved. So I'll advise you to buy all this package together, because as I have bought the microphone only first and then I have bought the receiver, so it was little bit extra cost. It's one-time investment, but all your life will be sorted and you will sleep peacefully without worrying that my sound is not perfect as every professional videographer has. I hope you like this advice, and I have to go and fix the locks on my van. I'll see you later. As they have mentioned, they don't like anyone to be inside the garage. Either I can sit in my van or I can stay out, so I prefer to stay out in a fresh air. So, and I did ask them to let me know what they are doing.
To here with a hole in it. Another one on there with a hole in it. They'll be about this far apart, and you just put something through it, a long padlock or anything through it.
Okay, so one will be there, one will be here.
So that will shut and come to here.
Oh right.
So
oh yeah.
It will be like this here.
Okay, yeah, like L shape.
No, just straight out like that.
Oh okay. Oh,
that
okay.
One, it will be stronger like this.
All right.
So it's like that, and you have a hole here, put a bolt through it or anything through it. I can give you a bolt, just put a nut on.
Oh right.
We both bolt it on there.
Oh right.
Hole there.
Will it be strong? I mean, to hold it.
I couldn't pull it off.
Okay.
But pulling this way,
yeah,
you couldn't do it.
Okay.
What a bolt this big would hold many tons pulling that way.
Okay.
You would not break that. Okay. You might rip the door first, but the bolt would not do it.
And I hope it won't affect on closing the door and opening or anything.
No. That'll be there.
Yeah.
Just like that. And this, look.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And here.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Where's the final jack? Piece here. Under there. Like that.
Yeah.
And bent. See, like an L piece.
Okay.
So it goes in.
Yeah.
And bolts here.
Yeah.
And sticks out.
Yeah.
Maybe that much.
Yep.
This comes up, shuts here, shuts there. You have a hole there, a hole here, and through.
Okay. Yeah.
So a bolt through there, it will not move.
Okay. Yeah, brilliant.
I'm saying that one.
Okay, so you want to remove this plywood then?
No.
Oh, okay.
We just put it in here, bend it.
Okay, there is a space. Okay.
This goes up to here. The metal goes up to here. So if we put a hole here,
Okay.
so we can leave this on.
You can remove it, yeah.
Maybe move it slightly.
I'll fix it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Brilliant. Yep.
So,
I like the idea.
you think that will work?
Yeah, it should work. You guys are professional, so that's why I came here, you know?
You can do it.
Yeah. Okay, he explained me what he's gonna do, and I'm happy with it. Hopefully things will come as per the plan. I'll show you in 2 minutes what they have done. Let's look around the house. gosh, it's all broken. Rusted.
Yeah,
Ford.
that's a good piece. Look,
Oh gosh.
maybe stand here.
Oh no. So are you gonna weld all this and put a new body?
Probably.
Really? Oh gosh. And how much it will cost to refurbish all this?
Probably an arm and 2 legs.
You're right.
I don't know. It'll be a lot of money. It's an enormous. Well, you can see how much work. It's an enormous amount of work. Shops. A clip like this.
Oh, okay, like a question mark. Okay, yeah, I got you.
It's sort of
Got you.
and then like that.
Got you.
But I haven't got any here.
Okay.
We can order.
Will that fit in this small hole? That R clip.
Yes, you get our clips any size.
Okay.
I can get them fraction that size or this big, any size.
Oh right, okay.
But we don't stock them here. I can get them in, but you're paying. So
Yeah.
if you get one, maybe.
Okay.
So that would
Brilliant.
work.
Good idea.
I'm trying to think of. You're paying for this. My time is costing you a lot of money, so I want to be very quick.
Yeah. And I have night shift to cover tonight.
Yeah.
So
Right,
yeah.
I'll put this in.
Yeah.
And if you go round the other side, you can see what. Just goes through.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
If you
yeah.
want it more secure, throw that across the floor.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Going nowhere.
Yeah, I like the idea of that pin. I mean, it will be quick, to remove
You
it.
can get maybe not a padlock, that's too small, but you can get little pins to go in there quite easily.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, it's all done. Let me just quickly demonstrate how it looks like. See, this is the door. These are the hooks. One is here, one is at this side. So when it is shut, I'm gonna put this bolt. It's gonna go from here to here, okay? And then for emergency exit, they gave me this pin which will go in here. Okay, that's it. This is secure. The door is not gonna open with this. Okay, this pin is gonna stay there, or I can put this bolt in it. If I wanna close it or lock it like permanent, this bolt will be in it. But I think the pin is okay. Okay, so this bolt is gonna go in, and this is the door security, and the other side, the front side. But what I was thinking is, if I can put something like this, there's a name for this one, but I don't know. If I could put something this from here to there, I don't know. Okay, and the front one, they have put this hook here. Yeah, this hook is here. When it's gonna shut, it's gonna come straight to this hole here. Okay, so if I shut it now, so these two holes are in front of each other. So what I can do is, this is the bolt. I can put this straight from here into that one, and then put a bolt at this side. Or I will think of something which could come easily off quickly, to put a pin here or something like that, or a metal chain go from here to there. I will think about that something later on. And from the other door it is the same. They have put the hook here, and there was a hole on this frame, so they have just fixed this bolt here like this. Okay, and then I need to just unscrew it to open it. They have tightened it up very hard, so I'll do that later. So at least something is done. I mean, something is better than nothing. I have paid only £60 for all this. They have put the screws in and all that. So at least, I mean, it's done professionally. So I have a peace of mind that, well, whenever I'm gonna sleep, I can just put something in it and I will just sleep. I will just die. Hey! Peacefully I will sleep. So no worries about that. The doors hooks are done from inside, and I have a shift tonight. The time now is like 1:30 in the afternoon. I have to leave home by 5, so it's like war against the time. So I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, you guys look after yourself. Bye bye. Come on, hurry up. I need to go and sleep for some time.